Shannon with Cornthwaite Lawn Care, and today I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do to get your mowers back into shape before the mowing season starts. So we're going to start with our push mower first. This is a Honda HRR series double-bladed mower. It's got a regular blade and a mulching blade. So we're going to go ahead and take that off first, set it off to the side, ready to sharpen. Alright, so now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and change out the spark plug. Then we're going to drain the oil and add new. Alright, so for those of you new to lawn maintenance, here's your spark plug right here. This one takes a 3/16 socket. Here we have the new plug, nice and shiny. Alright, we're going to leave that off for right now until after we change the oil and put the air filter in. And after we put the blades back on. Alright, so some push mowers have drain plugs underneath. That's how you drain the oil. This one does not, at least not that I noticed. So what you want to do, take the cap off here, and you'll tip it into your oil container and let it all drain out. Alright, that should be about done. Alright, so now we're going to add more oil until the dipstick says it's enough. Did about half a quart. Let's go ahead and check it. Just to make sure. We'll let that settle down a little bit more, a little bit longer. Then we'll come back and check it again. Well, we're letting that sit for a while so that we don't get a false full. We're going to go ahead and change out the air filter. Alright, so here's your air filter. And take that out. It's not too bad, but we're going to go ahead and change it out anyway. There's a new one. There's the old one. All right. Just goes in there just like that. Pop it back into place. All right, now we're ready to go back over, check the oil once again. All right, it's saying full, so I'm thinking we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more, because that wasn't even half a quart. I think we're still getting a false full. All right, now let's let that sit and drain down just a little bit more, and we'll come back to it. All right, so while we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and sharpen these blades and get them back onto the mower. Now I like to do just one pass through just to get a nice smooth edge. All right, so that's full. So that's good. Now we can go ahead and put the blades back on. All right, so I did manage to get it running. The carburetor needed cleaned out. So what I did, took this off, sprayed some carburetor cleaner all up in there,